County, it's your boy Lance Hatch, amateur boxer, man. I want y'all to tune in every morning to G County Radio. What's up, man? It's your boy Lance Hatch, amateur boxer, and I want you to, first thing in the morning when you wake up, tune in to G County. What's up, G County? It's your boy Lance Hatch, man. And every morning when I wake up, I tune into Early Bird Morning Special on G County TV. Tune in.
Damn, son, where'd you find this?